Welcome to Success Symposium, still on the series Harnessing Opportunities Through Vocational Engagement. We will continue by shedding more light on 10 of the skills stated last week. Take note, each of these 10 skills that we have itemized earlier, you can learn each of them within the space of 3 months. Thereafter, you gain your financial freedom for life. So we enjoin you not to just sit back doing nothing, but to tag along with us so that you learn some of these skills. The skills are: number 5, blogging. An average blogger is expected to earn between 150,000 naira to 1 million naira monthly. We can take, for instance, one major blogger in Nigeria, which is Linda EKG. She earns millions of naira because she had invested so much of her time and resources into blogging, and she is harvesting the fruit so far. Then the next is photography. As a photographer, you are convincingly sure that you can earn within 200k to 1 million naira monthly as a photographer, depending on the kind of client that you get over time. The next is fashion design or tailoring. Fashion design is an old skill. As a matter of fact, my father is a fashion designer, and you are sure of earning minimum of 150,000 naira to 500,000 naira or 1 million naira, depending on how well you have equipped yourself with the knowledge of fashion designing or tailoring. I am a living witness. I have brothers who are photographers, and I'm making millions of naira from photography, built houses, bought properties. Next is what? Makeup. Makeup artists are needed in our contemporary days now. Most events planners work with makeup artists. So as a makeup artist, you can earn a minimum of 200,000 naira to 1 million naira monthly. So please, I want to encourage you, my viewers out there, to ensure that what you tag along with us and you learn more of these skills as we roll them out. Don't just sit and stay at home and just watch, but also try as much as possible to engage yourself with the learning process. And we assure you that you make even millions of nairas at the end of your training for these skills. Thank you for watching and staying tuned and tagging along with us. I also want to encourage you to click the link on the bio for more information. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channels, hit the subscription button, hit it right now. We're on Instagram, we're on Facebook, we're on TikTok. So please encourage us by subscribing and by liking our content, and also dropping your comments to encourage us that you are following us. And please, thank you.